Heard that?
Whole week feel like the weekend. I'm always grinding, never sleeping.
What is going on, y'all? You know the vibes, you know what it is. It's going down today. As usual, it always goes down on my channel, but it's going down today. I'm gonna tell you why in a minute. I always tell y'all about the weather. Take a look. Yeah, no riding today, B. No riding today. Nigga, it was like negative 10 degrees last night. It was negative 10 degrees. Let's check the weather today. Like, what is it? Like, I know it's cold, you know what I'm saying? We know it's cold. It's officially 16 degrees, y'all. 16 degrees, can y'all see that? 16 degrees right now. My bike's gonna bog. My bike's gonna do all kind of stuff. I got it jetted for the cold, and it got even colder. But nonetheless, y'all know what it is, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give y'all three guesses. Three guesses as to what we doing today. Know what I'm saying? Go ahead, guess. No, definitely not. Yes, my nigga. We starting this Banshee today, so we started for the first time. I told y'all what happened last time, you know what I mean? It was just like a little minor gasket problem, so I fixed all of that. We refilled it back up with engine ice. Yeah, she ready to go. Like, we gonna kickstart her, see what she do. I think I got the right jets in. So what I ended up doing was I ended up making it rich. It was on the first needle clip. If anybody out there know about carburetors, it was on the first needle clip, which my Honda's on the first needle clip, and it runs amazing. But this right here stock is the third clip from the top. So it was running way too lean. I couldn't get it to start before. I was like out here like literally right there, like kicking and kicking. So what I ended up doing was changing the needle clip. I read somewhere online that if it's too lean, it's not gonna start. So obviously it's getting too much air. So threw it on the third needle clip, and we're gonna see what it do. Hopefully it starts up. I believe it's gonna start up. It should start up. Without a doubt, it's gonna start up. Let's see what's going on. I'm gonna move this out the way. I don't wanna mess up the tire. That's right, shit. If I can get it. Perfect. Gotta get the gas hook backed up. Bong bong. Alright. Cross tube. What else? Look, bro, it is so cold. I don't know if y'all can see that. The gas drain, yo, I turned it and it just snapped, bro. It snapped. Like, bloop. All right, make sure that's closed. Yo, I do not like these right here. I feel like she needs to get some better ones. We also set the float heights to spec. I don't know if y'all know about carburetors again, but you're gonna learn today about carburetors. Set your float height. If you got a lot of gases dripping out, just dripping out your carburetor, that means your float height needs to be reset, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Like, if it's running crazy where it's like a high idle, just like, just mad high, you need to check your float height, my nigga. Also, that could be lean, so you gotta mess with these screws right here. You know what I'm saying? Know your turns in and out, one half turn at a time. Anyway, let's get this shit back on here real quick. I'm gonna keep this off for a second. So that's what you do, Banshee. I'm gonna put this on. Get that. Fair. Alright, so first startup, I'm gonna warn y'all, probably gonna have to prime it, because ain't no gas been in these cylinders yet, and it's cold outside, so don't expect no one kick. But once we get it started and warmed up, I promise y'all. Alright, here we go. Gotta put that boy in. That boy in neutral, that boy is ready to go. Gonna prime it like I said. It's gonna start, trust me. nigga, this motherfucker better start. So I checked, I know I'm getting spark. I know that. Maybe if I put the air boot on, let's try that. You heard that? Hold up. Alright, let it warm up, let it catch a couple. Oh, my soul's gonna be right. Trust me, I've been through this before. The vibes, you know what's going down. I already told you, you know what I'm saying? I'm confident in my work anyway, so shout out to Southwest Texas Banshee. If y'all don't watch him, subscribe to my man. He ain't paying me to do this or nothing, I don't even know him, but he has an amazing Banshee channel. Anything you trying to understand, anything you trying to do, I watch that man helped me through the whole build, through everything, so you know what it is. We're gonna get rid of these plastics. I got some new OEM all white plastics coming. Gas tank cover, radiator cover. We're gonna keep the build pipes. We definitely gonna put some SS rims on there. Definitely put some SS rims on there. What else? What else? What else? Basically keeping everything else as is. It's a pretty much clean Banshee. Like, there ain't really no rust or dirt on it, like, besides under, you know, the normal scrapes and scratches and all that. Wait till y'all see it cleaned up. Wait till y'all see it with the new kit on it. It's gonna be crazy. OEM graphics coming. It's gonna be crazy. So I might even go rip this, you know what I'm saying? Like, my neighbors be tripping and shit, so especially them over there. But it is what it is. I'm happy right now. Like, I gotta spin it. I gotta spin the block, huh? So y'all know I wasn't capping. Watch this. I already know how this shit go with Banshee. So once you started and it's warmed up, like, bro, it was like 60, 70, 80 something kicks. Nah, it was some kicks though. My leg was tired, but watch this, guarantee you. Watch this. Watch it. No choke. I know Banshees, bro. Once it's warmed up, they ready to go. Especially like I said, it's cold today, so I knew it was gonna take a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? I gotta figure out why this bike coming out different than this one. I don't know, we figured it out. But like I said, I promised y'all the Banshee was gonna start. I knew it was gonna start. I actually started it last night just to make sure, because I didn't want to look like a head out here. You feel me? But nah, she all good. She ready to go. Like I said, we're gonna get the whole OEM kit on there. It's gonna be crazy. I'm about to clean it up crazy. This is my wife's, by the way, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, I treat all our bikes like it's ours. And next, we're gonna be getting that back going. It might be just a spark plug with that. I'm hoping it's a spark plug, yo. We brought it back from the lot and I literally haven't touched it since, bro. Then we're gonna get TJ's blaster going. You know what I'm saying? I got the engine right over here, already taken apart. We just gotta go get that, like, make sure, I gotta go take that to my machinist and make sure the cylinder's good, but I think it's good, you know what I'm saying? Like, it was kind of seized, but there was no scratches, so hopefully it's good, you know what I'm saying? We can keep it stocked, and I just order a new piston, get that back together, and I'm gonna show y'all how I do that, because like I said, I need to show y'all how I'm building these. Like, y'all missed all this content, like, I missed all this content. Nah, we're gonna get it back together though, but the Banshee's running. Appreciate y'all for being here. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all like the videos, comment down below, hit that notification bell so y'all know when I'm dropping that new fire. I'm gonna try to drop a little bit more consistently. Love y'all. Catch y'all in traffic. Holla at y'all on the next video. Bye.
I fell in love with the money. I fell in love with the game. I fell in love with the hustling. She fell in love with the